Hello to my friends who always follow and support my uploaded videos. Hello everyone. In this video I want to share with you the 4 most common reasons why the engine does not cranking. This video is based on my experiences as a mechanic. So guys, watch the video until the end.
Number 1, weak battery. Engine will not start or even crank if the battery is below 24 volts. Check the battery voltage, check to loose battery terminal and corrosion, including battery cable condition. We can use a series cable from the battery of another truck to start the engine, but we will never use a portable jump starter. The high amperage and high voltage from the jump starter will result in damage to the electrical and electronics components of our trucks. Replace the battery if necessary, and check the charging alternator. Number 2, the starter motor. A variety of problems can lead to a bad starter motor, including loose wire connection to the relay, dirty corroded connection from the battery, cut out wire terminal from the battery to starter relay, badly worn out parts of the starter system, damage or stuck up bearing. Number 3, the engine does not crank when the gear is engaged or not in the neutral position. There are other drivers who, when they park, even with the parking brake on the vehicle, they still shift the gear. Put the gear in the neutral position and start the engine. The engine will also not start if the gear neutral position sensor is defective or loose wiring connection. Check the cable wiring connection and replace sensor if necessary. Number 4, busted fuse resulting in the presence of fault codes and EDC failure. This 25 amperes fuse serves as protection to the power supply to the EDC unit. When it's blown up, it's resulting in not to crank the engine. When the cabin is raised, sometimes you won't see fault code or check engine on the dashboard. But if you notice, there is no light on the RPM meter. You won't see green and red light on the side of the RPM meter. Means there is no power supply to engine control unit or EDC. I intentionally removed the fuse, so that I can show you the result on the dashboard once this fuse blows. I will return it now and I will show you again that there will be a light on the RPM meter.
Hope this video helped you to have an idea and information. And if you have an additional idea or experience, please comment down below. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you and God bless.